Hey YouTube, today we went to the library today and I checked out a book called Blizzard. Have you guys ever been a Blizzard? Have you guys ever seen a Blizzard? Have you told your friends you have a Blizzard? If you never heard of Blizzard, heard of it, or never been in one, like I never been in one, and you will learn about Blizzards, well today I'm going to read here. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. I'm not having a cough drop here. Let's do homework. After this, I'm gonna do homework. So that homework right here. Super duper easy homework. It's not like you're probably not your classes. They'll probably give you like maybe test books to take home or it's like that. This is just what I have to do. Like each morning when I get to school, I eat breakfast, go to class. That's easy, right? My first class is break, then I have break. After that, I break. Next, I go to break. See, that's easy. Alright, let's get to read. Alright. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys can see the faces or not, but, well, right. Well, blizzards. A blizzard is a powerful winter storm with snow and strong winds. Blizzards can be small or large. Some blizzards cover many states at once. Others might happen only over one place. Blizzards can last for a few hours to several days. Blizzards occur in many parts of the world. In North America, they occur in the northern part of the United States and all of Canada. They sometimes happen in southern states as well. About 3 to 5 blizzards strike the United States each year. Most blizzards form in the month of December, January, and February. Blah blah blah. Let's get to the chapters. Hold on 1 second. Alright, here we go. All about blizzards. Saturday plays record shows into several groups. It could heavy snowfall, ice storms, it could rain that turns into ice when it hits cold ground, cold and winds chill, a fire still, or giving when temperatures are wavy low. When you guys just see me talking or reading, I have to see what I'm doing before covering my mouth, then you guys cannot hear me. But if I just hold like this, you guys can actually hear what I'm saying, you know. That's it. How that is. Scientists, they just don't know what I'm actually saying. Oh no, baby, you know. It's just like when you're talking to a friend, you don't want us to, you know. You just want us to read or talk to one of your friends on the phone, say hello, hey, you know. You don't want to do all that type of. Okay, 3. All blizzards have things in common to be a blizzard. Storms most have winds of at least 37 miles, 56 kilometers per hour. The rain must be both snow, making it hard to see more than 1/4 of a mile, 0.4 km. And for you, the temperature must be below 25 Celsius, minus 6 Celsius. So 25 is minus 6 Celsius. These conditions must take place for 3 hours before snow can be called blizzard. But I look at the pistol again. See that pistol there? Let's see. Sorry not like to see like to me to like people to read here. But this is interesting. See this? How much that 3 does? See all that? Let's finish. My turn to get sick. Okay. This is my last page. I'm going to finish my homework. And I got a pen. How is it formed? Almost all stories happen when large masses of enemy land up these masses of air called fonts. A font has air that is about the same temperature and contains the same amount of moisture of water. Blizzard sometimes strikes when a winter storm moves into place with a very cold temperature. Warm air holds more moisture than cold. Air warm also weighs less than cold air. The warm air rises over the cold air. The warm air cools as it rises. The cold air can no longer hold all the moisture. During a blizzard, this moisture turns into snow. Winds formed when two air masses meet the wind to become strong. If the air masses have very cold temperatures during a blizzard, the two masses usually have a large difference in temperature as the warm air rises, cold air rises to take its place because the strong winds. Alright, let's show you that something before we go. Scale. Try that pause. This is it. Look at this, guys. If we MP8s, we look at MP8s. If we're KM8s, we look at KM8s. Let's look. See that? Mono 32 to 38 miles per hour. 51 to 51 KM8s. That's like noise. I can see, but I'm not really like that. Can it has to hear me? Oh my god, I'm saying. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna go. Bye. Now with Blizzards. I'm gonna read that to you guys next time. Bye. Next time I won't have my cough drop in my mouth.